this is Tanya Rowling. I'm back with another video. Do watch my other videos as well. I would be teaching CBSE Class 10 Maths NCERT Syllabus and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths NCERT Syllabus. Alright, now let's get into the video. Now let us read the question. So the question is, the following real numbers have decimal expansions as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the form P and Q, what can you say about the prime factors of Q? Okay, so this is the question. So as you guys know, in this question, we should find whether it is terminating or non-terminating, and we should find it is rational or not, or it is irrational. Okay, and if they are in the form P by Q, then what are we supposed to do? We should say about its prime factors. We should write it down, the prime factors of that particular number's denominator. Why? Because it is in the form P by Q, so Q is in the denominator form. Okay, so now let's solve the second subdivision. So this is the second subdivision. So in this subdivision, we have a number that is 0.12012000120000 and so on. Okay, so this is the number. Here you guys can notice something, that we have these dots, that means it is continuing. Again it's continuing. Still we have lots of numbers. So instead of writing those numbers, they just wrote it in short, that is this number, but still we have lots of numbers. So what we do is, it is non-terminating. So if we have so on, if we have lots of numbers and we have like this dot, that means it is going. Still we have lots of numbers to meet ahead, that means it is not terminating. Okay, and then it is non-repeating. Why? Because the same number is not repeating. Am I right? So here we have 1 2 0, here we have 1 2 0 0. So here we have 1 0, here we have 2 0, here we have 3 0, here we have 4 0. Then everything is different. Why? Because here it is 120, here it is 1200, it is 12,000. So like that it is differ from each other. Why? Because just because of a single 0, it is differ from each other. For example, we have a number 10. Okay, so do you guys think that 10 is differ from 100? Of course, we have lots of difference between 10 and 100. Likewise, in this question also, we have lots of different, and then the 2, you guys can say it is not repeating. So do you guys know what is the meaning of repeating? Repeating means, for example, we have a number 1 2. Okay, so 1 2, and again we get 1 2, again we get 1 2. Likewise, we get 1 2. So like this, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is called repeating. But here the 12 is repeating, but the zeros are not repeating. We have 1 0 here, we have 2 zeros here, here we have 3 zeros. So it is differ from each other. So we will write it is non-repeating. It's not at all repeating, and that too it is not rational. Why? Because we have lots of numbers to meet ahead. Am I right? So if we have lots of numbers to meet ahead, we don't know what are the numbers. So if we know the numbers only, we can just write it, whether it is some numbers we can write it, whether it is 1 lakh or 1 crore. So like that we can write, we can take the decimal point and we can write, but we can't write it in this. That's because we have lots of numbers, but we don't know what number is that. Okay, so as you guys know that we don't know what the number is, so we are going to be writing it is not rational, that means it is irrational. So now I wrote it is not terminating and non-repeating, it is not rational. As you guys know why it is terminating, because it is just going on. Okay, it's still we have lots of numbers, that's why we wrote non-terminating, and it is non-repeating. Of course you guys know why did I write non-repeating, because it is not at all repeating, it's just going in, it's just in, we have some other number. For example, first we had 120 and then we had 1200, like that the zeros are differing from each other. That's why it is non-repeating and it is not rational. Why? Because to find it is in the form P by Q, we need a particular value, but as it is keep on going. So did you guys notice the dot like this? Like if we have some dots like this, that means still we have lots of numbers. So in case if we know the number only, we can just solve it that it is in the form p by q. Then only we get a proper denominator when we take off the decimal number. So here we don't know the proper number or whatever number it's gonna come ahead. We don't know those numbers. That's why we wrote it. It is not rational. Okay, why? Because we don't know the q. Okay, if we take off the decimal point, then we don't know the q's value. That's why we wrote it is not rational. Why? Because rational numbers, they are always in the form p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Okay. Pretty sure that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.